Hey guys, it's been a while since my last video, but here's a video because I just picked up this little thing. I got this little thing from Final Straw, so I was like, you know what, I might as well do a little video on it, right? So let me level out this camera there, sort of. Hopefully it's a good angle on my face. So yeah, I got this little package from Final Straw because I ordered one, and I figured, you know what, it's kind of a little piece of tech or something like that. I'm just gonna open it and give you guys my first impressions on it because, yeah, I figured might as well. The interesting thing with what happened with this was my girlfriend and I both ordered it at the same time, but she got hers before me and she got an entire shipping and tracking label and all that stuff. And then I didn't get mine, and I got an email that said, hey, sorry, we couldn't fulfill your order. And I was like, oh, well, okay, that's kind of disappointing, but you're still guaranteed to get your Final Straw order. Okay, yeah, that's fine, right? So I was like a little disappointed. I was like, okay, well, as long as Jennifer has her Final Straw, then it's fine. And then all of a sudden, I woke up this morning and it said, hey, we got your tracking number. Your straw's coming in today. So now here's the Final Straw. So this is what it looks like, or at least in a little case thing here. I got the color, the Stratosphere Blue. Take it out. So this is supposed to be a reusable straw that you can use. It's portable and you're supposed to bring it with you just to help the environment by not using as many straws, right? Because straws take a really long time to biodegrade, or they don't at all. So this is a reusable one. It has its own way of cleaning itself. Ooh, it kind of all snaps together. Nice. And it's supposed to just, you know, help the environment by using the one straw over and over again. So I got this for like $26, $28 or something like that. And I got the case, which is a Stratosphere Blue, and then the just regular metal straw here. So what it is if you can see it, it's metal tubing with silicone rubber inside that allows it to stretch, and when you need to fold it, just like that, and then kind of just pops out, comes out all together. The case is just a little piece of plastic with a magnet on the end here. So yeah, this is basically what it is. It's called Final Straw because this is supposed to be like the final straw that you're supposed to use for like the rest of your life, right? So I might as well give it a test. I got a little glass here. Thank you, Drugstone Stupid, for giving me the glass. And it's simple, and I mean, that's really it. At the end of the day, it's just a neat little straw. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. There's a drying rack in here, which is kind of friction fit in there. But it's not bad. So it's a little drying rack that you can place down on any whatever surface. But wrapped around it is a little squeegee that you can use to stick into the straw and then pull it out the other side. Like so, you kind of just fit it through there. Probably with some soap and water. And then it comes out the other side, and then you just take this and you just pull it. Like a party popper. Just like a party popper. Like that. Yeah, and that's how you clean it. I'm imagining, of course, you use soap and water to clean it, and then all you do is to put it back, you just slide that back in through here, pull that through, pull that to the end or so, and then you just, I guess, wrap this around, and then just place this back in here. A friction fit, so it kind of just fits all snugly. And just close this up. Water is gonna get stuck in here for sure, but it's silicone rubber, and then you just place that back in there, close it, and you're good to go. So far, I think it's really interesting at the concept that they're using, which is, you know, trying to help the environment here, right? So the price is a bit much. It's $25 for a single straw, right? But here's the thing, it does help the environment, and this is, I feel like so far it's quality, right? There's plenty of other Chinese knockoffs that you can get on Amazon, but you're also paying that much for a cheaper product because you're paying for what you get. If you're spending $25 on a single straw like this, I believe they have a lifetime warranty. I'll check it and I'll put it in the edit now. I think it's really cool so far. Hopefully you guys are able to pick up your own, you know, help the environment. Because I know there's a lot of cities that are starting to ban plastic straws. And I know Starbucks is a company that doesn't serve doesn't give out plastic straws anymore. In fact, they have a certain like sippy cup lid, I don't know why I couldn't say that. This is just a way to help the environment. You guys can check the description box below. You guys can get yours there. This video isn't sponsored, but you know, Final Straw, if you want to sponsor me, I got you. So that's about it for me. A little quick update. There will be more videos coming soon, guaranteed. Just please be patient. I've been really busy. And I'll catch you guys in the next videos. See you guys later.